Okay. Good morning, students. Today's topic is compressed powders. Compressed powders are also called as tablet titrates or molded tablets. In this type of tablets, powder material is molded into tablets. They are available in different shapes: flat, circular, and disc. These tablet titrates contains potent drugs. These potent drugs are mixed with suitable quantity of diluents like lactose and sucrose and sometimes used mannitol. The apparatus used for preparation of tablet titrates using made up of stainless steel and plastic. It consists of two plates, upper plate and lower perforated plates having same number of or equal number of halves. The lower plate is having two large pegs to helps the correct fitting of upper and lower perforated plates. These are available in different sizes from 2 capacity having 30 to 250 mg. Generally, tablets titrates can be prepared at a time from tablet titrate molds using 50 to 250. By the use of these type of machines, 50 to 250 tablets can be easily prepared at a time. Preparation: the powder material like potent drugs or another drugs are mixed with suitable diluents, and by adding suitable binding agent alcohol 60%, it will be converted into stiff paste. It will converted into paste like consistency. The paste is introduced into upper plate with the help of spatula and fill the content or paste into uniformly throughout the holes. The excess amount present in the upper side of the holes can be removed by using spatula. This plate is placed over the lower plate, then little pressure applied over the top plate, which will force the plate move downwards. By the application of small amount of pressure on the upper plate, the plate is moved downwards, leaving the molds into the protected pegs. The prepared molds are dried in hot air oven for 2 hours and 160 degrees centigrade to remove any excess powder material is present. This type of procedure is for large scale preparation. Tablet punching machines can be used. These are the compressed powders or tablets which are molded tablets.